كلما عمل بدعة, every time a bid'ah is done, أميتت السنة. Sunnah is killed. Every time you do something which is bid'ah, you're killing a sunnah. You're not going to do a sunnah, صح? Are we all together, brothers? Again, I'm not saying it's an innovation. I'm not saying it. Just want to give an example. والشأن لا يعترض المثال إذ قد كفى الفرض والاحتمال. Don't push back on it. This is just an example. Using beads. I'm not saying it's innovation. Okay? I wouldn't use it like in, but I'm not saying it's innovation. Which one is better? Finger. If you start using beads, or you use these number ones that now come out, right? You're using that. What are you going to leave? You're going to leave a sunnah that's established, صح? Are we all together, brothers? So it's always best to just stick to the sunnah, because we have the hadith that mentions that your hand is going to intercede for you yawm al-qiyamah, صح? Your finger is going to intercede for you. Are we all together, brothers? So it's better to do that. Again, I'm not saying it's an innovation to use the beads or the seeds or these buttons. It's best to use your hands, صح? It's better to use your hands.